everyone, and welcome to my video. Today I thought I might just talk a little bit about the VS SASSOON Curler Secret. I recently bought this off Facebook as just from Marketplace, and I just got a little bit interested in how easy the curls would come out, so I bought it for $50 Australian dollars. And well, it was a good bargain because originally, if it was brand new, I would get it for about $100 plus. So that was a good bargain. So on that day when I bought it, I did try it out, which it gave me really nice curls and it was really easy. All you have to do is read the instructions. And then today is the 7th of June. I decided to just curl my hair a little bit and style it like this, and with a little bit of curls. Well, it's been a whole day, and this is in the afternoon that I've made this video. So this morning my sister came over to just hang out with us, and so I decided to curl my hair. And not to bash the product, but I do love the curling wand. And it's not a curling wand, is it? I do love this Curler Secret machine, but it does have its flaws. If you do not know how to use it, be cautious, because your hair might get caught and you may not be able to get out. So I have a little video for you guys to watch.
We'll take out what we can get out. Look at that knot in it.
Ow. Some of it's coming.
Oh shit! Is that plugged in still?
No.
God, that's hot. You got that side?
Sorry, darling.
No, I'm not.
There. Got it.
Look at that.
No, we're not doing any more. Just put your hair up. It's a dreadlock now. Look at it.
Pull that out.
Yeah, look at that. It's on top.
Oh, jeez.
It's like a dreadlock.
Yeah.
Yeah. Try and...
So with that in mind, if you do buy the product, do not be scared from what I've just shown you. Maybe it was just what happened. Maybe I just put in too much hair and didn't have enough, didn't use it properly. If you do use it properly, listen to the beeps and all those, you might get away with having lovely curly hair and don't have to worry about your hair getting entangled. But I did get away with my hair. My hair survived. It's just all broken up now. There it is. So messy. But since I wasn't able to finish off my whole hairdo, I ended up doing the top of my hair in a little bun. But my hair looks okay. So I hope this gives you a little bit of a clue about the VS SASSOON Curler Secret, and please don't be put off by the product from this video. I really like the product and I probably will be using it again, but maybe not so soon. My head is still a little bit sore from what happened. But anyway, bye guys.
You're perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make 'em drop dead, you a